everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. And today I'm sharing a recipe of Aaloo Mutter. And for that we need 3 potatoes cut in cubes, 1 cup of peas means mutter, and 1 small bell pepper, and half bunch of cilantro means dhania. Curry leaves, I took 6 to 7 curry leaves, and green Thai chili, that's hari mirch, around 8 to 10. It's up to you if you want more, or if you don't want it, you can skip it. And these are the ingredients. I'm going to make a puree of tomato, onion, cilantro and ginger garlic paste, and 5 boiled egg, which I'll add in the last. And these are the basic home spices. So let's make the puree first of onion, tomato, ginger garlic and cilantro and bell pepper too. So let's start cooking. I'll heat up the pan and I have added oil in it. And then I add curry leaves, means curry patta, and half spoon of cumin seed. And after cooking like for 1 minute, then I'll add the puree. And I will cook it until it releases the water and oil comes up. So as you see, the water released, and now I will add spices, which are 1 spoon of salt, or you can add per taste, and 1/4 spoon of red chili powder, and 1/4 spoon of red crushed pepper, and 1 spoon of turmeric, and 2 full spoon of dhania zira powder, which is coriander and cumin seed powder. And I will mix it well and cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes. I add the red chili powder little because I'm going to add the green Thai chili, so that's why I add the red chili powder a little bit. And now I'm adding the potatoes, and I'll cook it well, like I'll mix it well, and I'll cook it for around 7 to 8 minutes with the lid on medium to low flame. After 7 minutes, as you see, the oil is coming up and the water is released completely. And now I will just mix it well and add mutter, which means peas. I'll add those, mix it well and add the Thai chilies. And I want the little gravy, so I'm going to add around 1 full glass of water and mix it well and keep it on low to medium for 10 minutes. But if you want more gravy, like if you want more watery, then you can add 1 more glass of water and cook the same time, like for 10 minutes. So that's how it looks after 10 minutes, which is perfect for me. That's what I am looking for. This is the consistency I'm looking for. So, but if you want more water, this is the time you can add a little bit water and just, simmer it for like 10 more minutes. But I think this is perfect. So I'm going to add boiled egg and kasuri methi. It's optional if you want to add kasuri methi. If you don't, then skip it. But I'm adding just like 1 spoon of kasuri methi, and cilantro means dhania on the top. And I will keep the lid on for like 3 minutes, and I will keep it on simmer. So then I'll serve it because it's done for me. And that's how it looks. You all like this recipe, and if you have any question regarding this recipe, do comments below, and thank you so very much for watching.